Now I open the floor for questions and comments. Again, the procedure is the same. Raise your hand or give any other bodily understandable sign that you want to speak up. Yes, two. There was one person. Will you want to speak up? Number two, just state where you come from, which institution, and your comment and or question concisely, please.
I'm Franz. I'm representing Latvia for the Baltic University program, and talking about being active, I lived in Vilnius for 1 year, lived here, and there I had the luck that my house owner agreed that I could recycle, and I wanted really to recycle, and he gave me the opportunity. Now I'm living in Riga, and I want to recycle, but everything around me is telling me don't recycle because it will end up in the same bin. Please, tell me what I can do to make people recycle, or tell me what you can do to make people recycle.
Yes, it's an exercise of raising the public awareness. Okay, now each 2 sentences how to stimulate people to recycle. Dominique, you open the floor.
You see, recycle has to be seen in the more large context of eco-industries, together with waste, together with air quality, together with energy efficiency. This is opening new route, extremely promising for ecology and job. Let me say already now, not in 2020 and 2030, already now eco-industries are representing in Europe an annual turnover around 300 billion of euros and 3.5 million of jobs. And we should do more and better regarding recycling, and this will be important also in the context of raw materials.
Okay.
Thank you.
Radvilė? Your mic's off? Yeah. The mic's off? Why the mic's off? You didn't press the mute button, I hope.
Yeah, probably.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
As I was saying that it should be, the people should feel the benefits. So here in Lithuania, theoretically, if you sort out the waste, you don't pay for it. You should pay only for this waste for the mixed waste that goes in one can in one container.
One bin.
But in one bin. But if you sort it, you shouldn't be paying for the waste fee.
Okay,
that's
answer.
Simple.
Just very shortly teach your children. It's one opportunity. Thanks.
Okay, that's it, very shortly. Okay, and then the next speaker, Edmunds.
Can you hear me? Yes, I guess.
Yes, we do.
So first, Riga was mentioned. So first thing to do is to force Riga municipality to actually start the project and recycle. And they have started the project, but they're not done yet. But starting next year, you should be able to, slowly they will be implementing in different places the recycling possibilities. But that is a long way to go from changing the thinking in the society that recycling and reusing waste is important. And I think the most important initiative that will start in Latvia from 2015 if the parliament does everything they've promised to the cabinet, which has already passed all the bills, is a mandatory deposit system for cans and PET and glass.
Okay, recycling on the way. Then Kaisa?
Well, I think that do you hear me?
Oh. No. Yeah,
so in my opinion, this whole cycle chain should be kind of certified, that there are only reliable actors in there. So, and it should be by media shown very transparently to the public how the recycled waste is used and how it benefits the environment. And I think that it's quite, from my own experience, easy to learn to recycle, because I always feel guilty if I put some organic waste into the plastic bag, which goes somewhere else.
Okay, thank you. And then we go to Katariina.
Yes, I think also that recycling should be easy for people, easy and transparent. The recycled bins should be near people, and then they should know how it goes afterwards, the transportation and so to the waste. Thanks.
Okay, and Arijandas?
Thank you. Well, I think I would dare to say that in Lithuania, at least, or I would say in Eastern Europe, you have to be creative to be able to recycle. So personally, I think it has to start from a very simple thing as a personal satisfaction of being able to recycle, even in, let's say, such a difficult environment. And over the generations, it will come as a habit.
Okay, and since you mentioned the creativity, I would end up with a good fairy tale with a good guy at the end recycles and gets, I don't know, something as a benefit, as in all fairy tales, maybe the wedding or something. Good, so let's thank the panelists for ideas, for presentations.